Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video, I'll be showing you guys how you can get the cami top on Berry Avenue. So right now the only working one is the poker pace one. We're going to go to the avatar section, go to the classic shirts settings, and then type in poker pace, press apply, and select this one at the very right. And that's pretty much it, really super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any more questions about this video, just leave it in the comment section down below. I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button as well. That is it. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.